Good morning, I'm Marcus Schneider, you're watching Schneider Classics, and today we gotta do an engine thing. So I gotta unload my trailer, hook it up to the Jeep, put the engine crane in the trailer, and then drive over to the Mexican shop, then go to the Mexican shop and go all the way over there to some town, get an engine, then drive all the way back to the Mexican shop and unload it and then come back here. But I was supposed to start doing this like 2 hours ago. I'm running a little bit late, so let's get started.
Can somebody come and rescue me? I am not afraid to be who I want to be. Can somebody rescue me? 'Cause I am not afraid. Can somebody rescue me? 'Cause I am not afraid.
She dragged the engine crane all the way from the snowbank through the snow onto the trailer. So we're ready to go. I should throw a strap between there and there. Hi, Bob. So here's the situation. My engine is right there. Tractor is in front of the motor. Well, he says this thing won't start. I'm not going to question it. I'm not going to dilly-dally with it. I'm not going to care. Whatever, this thing can't start, this thing can't start. I'm not going to fight him on it. I'm not going to do whatever. So I'm going to shovel out all this. I already started. Shovel all this out. Drag this out. Move those boards. And then load up my motor fucking sideways. This is not going to be fun at all. But this is what I got to do.
Together, this is a shot just to me and you. And if we ever go together again, I wanna promise that we see this through. So I am not free to be whoever I want to be. Can somebody?
It's in here. Now I just gotta drop this. Lift this up, pull that out. Bye bye.
I thought you were gonna get at the angle like right above here.
I can pull forward and come back again.
Yeah, because if you would have pulled forward and right there and then slowly maneuvered it back, you could probably get the back end right here.
Oh yeah, probably. Alright.
If this thing was lighter, I'd say we just lift the fucking thing. But
Well, the problem is it's a bitch to hook up to the Jeep. The great reveal. There's a motor under there.
I am not afraid to be who I want to be. Can somebody rescue me?
I'll put some more warning to it.
'Cause I am not afraid.
We get her done 91. Those are not stable. When your engine crane don't work, Mexican comes up with a good idea. Let's just use two come-alongs, one on the tire, one on the engine, and pull her on. Smart Mexican. Oh. Mexican's not his normal climate. This is how we get shit done in the winter. You want to give excuses? You want to give fucks? Fuck off! I'm getting it done. Oh, I think it's fucking weird.
I never thought we'd be together. This is a shock just to me and you. And if we ever go together again, I wanna promise that we see this through. So I am not free to be whoever I want to be. Can somebody come? Can somebody come in? Can someone come and rescue me? I'm not afraid to be who I want to be. I'm not afraid. Can somebody rescue me? 'Cause I am not afraid. Can somebody rescue me? 'Cause I am not afraid. Rescue me.
Headed on the way to go do the deal, you know, and then you just gotta pass the ice fishing village on your way. You can't see it on the camera. You just gotta pass the ice fishing village on the ice there. Like, you know, like you just take one turn left at the ice fishing village, turn another right, and you should be there, right? That motor's gone and this motor's here. We got a 1976 Corvette 350 2-bolt main engine here with 350 heads for some reason. Whatever, I'm not questioning it because I was putting 350 heads on the other 350, so whatever. 305 heads on it. Intake, 4-barrel carb. This bad boy, I don't normally see them like this. This is huge. Ready to go. Power steering, alternator, all that fun stuff. Clutch fan. Needs a thermostat because I got no thermostat for it. But there you go. Traded motor for motor, and sold the rad and all the fuse box and all the extra little goodies that went with that motor. I wanted to take the AC pump off at first, but I didn't. Whatever. I didn't have time. It's got an old it's got a mechanical fuel pump as well. Clicker clacker. No electrics here for me. Fuck that. So you randomly showed up on that thing. What do you think about your LS that you sold me?
Looks good. Looks downgraded. Yeah.
Went from a 305 to a 350. A 5.2 liter to a 5.7 liter. It's fine.
It's fine.
Should work.
Like, that's how my sled still has reduced.
Yeah, whatever. Trailer's just put in here. You told me to leave the trailer. I don't know why, because I would just pull the motor off and then take this back home with me. But he said, put it in. Oh, whatever. Let this old girl thaw out too, I guess. This thing needs to thaw. Oh. That thing's a good motor. I'm tired. This is where they end the video off. Traded LS motor for A 1976 Corvette 350 motor with 305 heads on it because it was in a 2000s 1-ton truck and they wanted more compression on the thing, which is like, I get it. That's what I was doing with that. I was put 350 heads on that. Father-in-law's got the old Volvo in here over the holidays. Tomorrow, I'm hoping to come over tomorrow and get this thing on the stand or do something with it and hear it run. Because it'd be nice to hear this thing run. I need to go tomorrow probably to town and buy an oil gasket for it, an oil pan gasket, because it doesn't have one. Throw my intake gaskets on it. All the fun stuff are clogged up. Fun stuff. Oh, neat. Fun stuff. Ground cables, everything. Ready to go. Ready to go, package motor deal. I mean, that's pretty much what the LS was, except for the LS you need to wire in. Which is good if you have the same truck, but these things run off nothing. Plus, you know, got this cool thing with it. Go on the motor. Oh, chromes. Look at that, racing filter. You know, we're getting a couple ponies out of that boy right there. Slap that thing back on. She's mint. That's just funny. Got this with the motor. I love that. That's a little, I love that. We're definitely sticking that on there. All of the air flows right into there. Going full throttle. It's good. I'm using that. Especially since it's got a 13 socket holding it down. So if I ever need a 13 socket, you know, just got to pull off my air cleaner there. And oh, this is gonna be fun. But yeah, if you guys want comment down below, probably in the next video and stuff when I go and make this run. Do you guys want to know all of the numbers, like what I paid for the LS? Because I bought the LS, I sold the transmission, we traded this, I got some money in on this deal with this engine for the LS. Like, if you guys want to know all the numbers of beep 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 ba-doo, I'll put it in the next video when we make this thing run. Because, like, this is wheeling and dealing at its finest. This is what it is. So let me know, and next video we'll see this thing bad boy pop off.